Today, I'm going to make baked avocado eggs.
Bake like you, Blanquita. See?
I can't wait for you to taste my huevos.
Oh, that sounds sucio.
Let's get cooking. The ingredients for baked avocado eggs are ripe avocado, eggs, and salt and pepper.
Salsa.
Ooh, that does sound yummy. And salsa. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Then, cut your avocados in half. Next, carefully remove the pit from the avocado. Then, scoop out about 2 tablespoons of flesh from the center of the avocado, just enough so the egg will fit perfectly in the center. Next, place the avocado in a small baking dish. Then, crack an egg into each avocado half. Next, place in the oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Lastly, remove from the oven and season with salt and pepper. And garnish with salsa.
Yo quiero eso.